Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. Today we're going to take a BABYZEN YOYO Plus, change the seat cover and the canopy from ginger to peppermint. If you haven't already, please check out my unboxing and assembly video for the BABYZEN YOYO Plus. And it's pretty straightforward, just velcros in on both sides. Connected right, not too bad. Voila. So I was lucky enough to get this seat cover from BABYZEN Hong Kong because of this channel, and they gave me the ginger seat cover, but actually I kind of preferred the green one. So I went and bought this at Mother Court here in Hong Kong, and I want to give a shout out to Mother Court. Even though I paid for this one, I've gotten stuff from them sponsored before, so I want to give them a big thank you. So it's late. I'm just going to do some time lapse and put some titles on, maybe a little voiceover. Let's see if I screw up. I put this thing together about a month ago, so I think I can remember how to take it off, but I might make some screw-ups. So anyway, let's see how it goes. 3, 2, 1, go. And voila, it is done. Actually, surprisingly easy. Took me about, I think including the introduction, maybe only took me about 9 minutes of actually doing. So pretty good actually. I might get more colors and just switch whenever I want to. I definitely like the green a little bit more. I really like the gray one, which was the one I did in my first video, but my wife thought that was kind of too plain, so I ended up compromising and getting green. The only thing that was really tricky was that last step with the metal ribs in the canopy, trying to get those hooked on with the cloth loops. So that was a little tricky, just kind of struggle with it, and eventually you'll get it right. Okay, any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Do give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I just passed 500 subscribers earlier this month, so I want to say thanks to everyone for all your support. 1,000 subscribers is right around the corner, hopefully. Okay, see you guys later. Bye. Having the stroller with me all the time up in the overhead bin. As soon as we get off the plane, pull it out, unfold it, and walk off. Literally, that could save you 15-20 minutes right there.